It's a lot of time invested in learning a centuries-old trade, the blending of an art form and science. You have to learn about stitching and gluing and preparing the edges and thickness of the leather for turning. People are going to have this bag by their sides for decades. We know it's in their hands every day of their lives. They grow to depend on it. It grows to change with the character of their body chemistry. It patinas. So it becomes a real extension of the individual, and we feel a great responsibility to live up to that expectation.
There are times where people just want whatever the best thing is. They're looking for that meld of staying loyal to the old way of doing it, understanding how it used to be done, why it used to be done that way, and if it still needs to be done that way, that's the way we're doing it.
I've been doing it about 42 years, and my father for 45 before me, and his father for 40 or so before him. There's something we all miss today. In the developmental years of our country, where we made everything, people would go to work and they'd touch and build things. You'd go home at night knowing you could physically see what you did with your hands. You could see that you produced something of value. And you'd go home with pride. Before my tenure's over, I have the pleasure of rebuilding U.S. manufacturing. And there are a few things in my life that give me more pride than to have the opportunity to put it back together.
We didn't get where we are today because we did not evolve. We're stubborn and committed to our ways and where and how we do a lot of things. That doesn't mean we weren't innovative. At the end of the day, and I say this to my father all the time, I say, I leave here every day with more respect for you than I had yesterday. I get off the phone with customers, or I leave the production floor with him, and I'm just shocked that there was that one more thing that he still had to teach me.
It's so rare to find those that value this funny little old trade and honest product that is made in America for Americans with quality that is world class. I believe the people that are working with Korchmar today leave the factory floor with a sense of pride. If I can create jobs for people and teach them a trade, that makes me pretty happy.